Hey guys, welcome to another video. In this video, I'll be covering three data types, which are the lists, tuples, and dictionaries. In the previous video, I covered four data types, which are the int, string, float, and complex data types. So let's start with this video. So there is a list, there is a tuple, and there is a dictionary. In lists, I will initialize a variable a, and in lists, you are supposed to store multiple numbers. So say for example, if I have numbers say from 1 to 3, they will be separated by commas 1, 2, and 3. Now in list, the numbers that you have entered will be enclosed within square brackets. In tuples, if I initialize a variable name say a, it will store the same values. So say for example, if I write 1, 2, 3, the only difference is that it will be enclosed within round brackets. Now there's a difference between list and tuples, of course, apart from them being enclosed in different brackets. In lists, if you have to change so if I assume these numbers to be roll numbers, say one, there's a roll number 1, 2, 3, and in tuples also there is a roll number 1, 2, 3. So if I have to change, say, roll number 2, right, in list as well as tuple. In list, I can change the number 2 to say 7, but in tuples, I cannot. Once a value has been initialized inside the variable a of data type tuple, you cannot change the value again. That is the only difference. And in dictionaries, there will be a key and there will be a value assigned to that key. Now, what am I talking about? So let me explain it with an example. There's a variable name a is equal to. Now in list, the values are enclosed within square brackets. In tuples, the values are enclosed within round brackets. And in dictionaries, the values, or in this case, there is a key and there is a name. The key and name are enclosed within curly brackets. Now, what do I mean by key? Now, say for example, if I have a key, say name. Name over here is a key which is enclosed within double quotation marks, and there is a value which is assigned to name. Say if I have a also the key and the value will be enclosed within double quotation marks. If I have a name, say Adi, so this would be a key and this would be a value which is assigned to the key. Now, say for example, if I have a roll number, so if I have a roll number, or if I have any other key for that matter, if I have any other key for that matter, and the value should correspond to key. So say for example, if I have say roll number, and I will assign a number, say 23. So this will be a key and this will be a value assigned to that key. So that's it for today. I hope you learned and enjoyed something, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye and take care.